Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and here is clean t-shirt mock-up for Photoshop, but these are protected password in this app or Google Play Store by now for lifetime, all password in this app. And here is my Facebook page, last is Telegram channel, join me for more notification. Okay, so here you can change everything in Photoshop. For example, open this one and here is layer area, master adjustment, mockup and background. First go to background, change any background. Here is okay, or white is okay. Okay, master adjustment, and here is mockup. Double click, you can import your design or anything. For example, open any image like this one, drag here, enter Ctrl S. You can adjust your logo here or your color, I tell you just for example. And you see here is our photo or our design. Okay, and here is arm or shoulder, color red. Okay, Control S, and you see here is red. Same thing here, unlock F color overlay. Okay, Control S, you see, so our design is ready. Okay, here is shadow, here is light. Okay, now next is this one, same thing here, just here is a backside, change background, change color, change, import your logo, everything you can do in Photoshop. Here is a front view, I think side view. Okay, I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me and download this app for password. Take care, love it.